Hello again, it's Roy. Let's see here. This time my brother does another video. In a previous video, way back when, he installed Goldstrike, what do I want to say, grips on his 2022 Goldwing. So now, for his hand comfort, he purchased throttle wings that mount to the end of those grips. All right, they're a product of Goldstrike, and fair warning, I am an affiliate with Goldstrike and Zero 3D, so there will be a link in the description below if you wish to purchase this item at no extra cost to you, same price, but I will receive a small commission if you purchase from my link below. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy the video. Thanks. Bye.
So I'm over here today. I'm going to install a yet another product that I picked up from Goldstrike. It's actually it's like a little throttle wing for the Goldstrike grips that I already have. Originally, this is the instructions for the entire grip. It came with a small cap, all right, and then this basically is just a wing. You replace the cap with a wing, which then makes it so your hand can, sit on it a little bit less, and you can relax your grip some. Weight wise, they're pretty much the same. When you buy it, it only comes as one. Obviously, I decided, well, you know what, I want the bike to look symmetrical, so I bought two. I've already installed one, and I'll show you how it looks, and I'll show you what it looks like without it. So this is the grip with the standard just end cap, okay? And then this is the grip with the wing on it. The nice thing about it is you can move it just about anywhere you want. I'm gonna put it here. I tested it real quick. It looks pretty good. I won't know until I get on the road for sure. It does feel pretty good though. I like it. I did buy two, so I mean the other side obviously doesn't need one, but I'm just gonna make it look so it's symmetrical. But basically you just unscrew the one little bolt, 2.5 millimeter Allen key, and if you already have the other one on, basically you could keep the same bolt and use it again. All right, that was a quick and easy one. Thank you.